open it is different. This is kind of cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day and good morning to you all. So for today's video, mag-unbox na tayo guys. I have two here, but different packages. And we'll just get started with the video because I'm really excited what's inside of this boxes and this paper thing. Or I just need to use it. What's on? Oh yeah, I can just rip it. Oh no! I buy the charger guys for my iPad. I already had the charger for my phone. So here it is guys. May duha ka kuan. Duha ka charger palit nako. Apple kuan. And dutang color guys no? Pink siya guys. Murag silver na pink siya. Ang length nga ni guys ay 6 feet. Ako gibaran ni guys og 8.99 cents. 8.99 cents guys. What? $1.99. I'm gonna put it here so that I won't get lost it. Let's open this big and guys. It's not really big. I don't really need this scissor. It's more easier. You've already seen it. Haha. Mommy's magic setup. The baby's spoon. Damn! Pacifier. The box is very sad. And a big big spinach. There's cheese and blue. Oh my god, this box is really confusing. Some of them I don't really understand.
Yeah! You want to pop it. Mom. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Ooh. Ooh. Isn't it cute? Eating. The cat ears.
Nang pink mana oy.
It's actually a piggy.
Nang pink color pink mana.
And there's different. Oh.
Look at the other one.
What is this?
No bayot. What's that, teeter?
This is orange.
That's a teeter.
Fruit. This is teeter.
Yeah, teeter.
Yeah, it's like a gummy.
Yeah, it's a teeter, but teeth.
Oh, teeter. And this is strawberry. It looks weird.
Tinapi ko na lang ba?
No! Never. This is for babies. And this is the last one, guys. Inside the box. Funny box. Okay. How can I open this now?
Chew, daddy.
You're not eating it. This is so long. Yeah. Huh? There's two different types.
Yeah. That's you know what's that?
Mm-mm.
That's a fruit repeller. You can put a fruit.
This.
Always.
It's like a bracelet.
No, that's
Ma,
iyo lagi na itay sa kuan. Sinina sa bata or
that's why.
para pag mahog ang pasipay.
It sounds good.
Last one, guys. The box is Go On Wipes Dispenser. I don't remember how buying this. I just heard about it.
You're not a baby anymore. I'm not the baby.
I'm gonna open this because we're just gonna use it.
Mom, we're always like you. People
I like the color of it.
favorite toys.
Oh my god. It smells good.
Dako man eh. Sa bata.
It's cute. Look at it. When you open it, it's different. This is kind of cool. Ah, so this is the one that smells good. Ay, just a kitay-kitay. It's like a toilet.
Blue man ang dako order. Ay na na pink.
It's fun. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and click the notification to get notified when I post new videos. Bye, guys.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute. Like that.